In this fast-paced world where anxiety and depression is part of our lives, CBT, cognitive behavior therapy, is a very powerful tool to deal with it. Today, I am here with Dr. Akshay Kumar, who is a psychologist and specialist in CBT. So, Dr. Akshay, what is CBT all about?
So CBT is a cluster of cognitive and behavioral strategies aimed at obtaining the desired cognitive and behavioral change. So first of all, our thoughts affect our behavior. Secondly, our thoughts can be altered and monitored. And finally, the resulting thought change can result into the desired behavioral change. So isn't that all we want? The desired and comfortable thoughts and desired and comfortable behavior at the end of the day.
So can you give us some specific example where it can be used?
Yeah, actually CBT is one of the most verified and tested therapies of all, and it can be used in various situations, mostly being depression, anxiety, and more so in day-to-day life when a person gets stuck and defeated in life, is unable to come out in various issues like relationship problems, parenting, maybe rejections, failures, losses. When a person feels depleted from inside, CBT is a very powerful tool to come out of it.
Can you tell us, Dr. Akshay, how CBT works?
CBT works in the principle of cognitive restructuring. So when a person goes through certain situations in life like loss, failure, rejection, etc., he develops certain schemas in his mind, and these schemas are called core beliefs. And often these core beliefs are irrational in nature, but they are stuck and they are permanent and they become constant over time. For example, a core belief of worthlessness or hopelessness can become very fixed in a person's mind, and then these core beliefs affect how the person views himself, views the world, and views his own future. So this entire process of cognitive restructuring is about first identifying this core belief. And often these core beliefs are associated with fleeting thoughts or the automatic thoughts which the person is not even aware of. For example, I'll only be good if this person accepts me. I'll only be good if I pass this exam. But that's not all true. So we first have to identify these automatic thoughts, get to the core belief, and then challenge this core belief, which is often irrational, and then convert or modify it into a more logical or a rational belief. So this is the entire concept of cognitive restructuring on which cognitive behavior therapy is based upon.
Each and every module at Ask Insights includes face-to-face or online counseling coaching sessions, a workbook, and an MP3 download of guided imagery.
So do you wish to change your situation from that of deep despair to joy and alignment? Ask Insights.